Lian Lian Tiger version mega feature, and the
1,000 mega feature.
and the purple bag is boosted. Let's see, $1.76 bet. So with this one, the Tigers expands. We've got 100 lines, and we can get, I think, a bigger multiplier as well as extra games because we have the boosted purple bag. Like that right there, from 1 to 2. Oh, there's a check upstairs. Come on, we need a lot more games. More games, more games, more games, more games. Come on, mega feature. The last, I can't tell you how many mega features I have been mega feature bummers, and I can't take any more. All right, so we still have 6 games. Come on, more games. $60 minor, $955 major, but we are running out of games. Most mega features are usually 100 times your win. We have a long way to go. Come on. Green or blue? Green or blue? Green or, oh no, green, blue or red? Green, blue or red? Ooh, that gave us 3 extra games, all right. So we now have 5 more games. Do it again. Nice, that's a lot of games. That's gonna be 22 games. So 8 more games. That's a lot actually. Come on, green, blue or red? Let this be the time. No. Alright. A 5X would have been really good on that one. We got a Concho. Oh, 149. Okay, we can get to that 100X. Come on. Color. Color. Oh, 3 more games. 25 games. That's a lot. Did it just like pause? I thought I seen something weird. All right. Come on. More games. Color. 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 Wrong color. Oh. So 4 games past 100X. Color. Got it. That's a good win, babe. We still have 3 games to go. Maybe we could even pull some more games. Okay, Christmas colors. Christmas colors. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is the most 28 games, the most games I've ever had. Do it again. 30 games. So we still have 6 more. Oh, with the times 3. Okay, that's good. Concho? Yeah. Let me give you a check upstairs. We still have how many games? Like 5 to pull green or red for a Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh, no, come on. 3 games to go. A total of 30 games. That's awesome. Oh, all right. $330 bonus. This is definitely not a mega feature bumper. Okay, one more. Will we get another coin? No. 30 games. $336 mega feature on the $1.76. There it is. Plots are closed. Slot Hubby gets to go home. All right, guys, playing in the high limit room. One of my favorite Eagle Bucks. Put in a ticket for $1,400, and instead of doing less lines, I decided to do only 3 lines, but with a 3x multiplier. Because if the Eagles do show up, they're going to spread the reel. We only get lines all the way across line 1, 2, and 3. So we have the maximum multiplier, but not all the lines. Let's see how this works out. If those Eagles show up, we're not even going to be upset that we're doing less lines. Come on. Okay, there we go. Come on, Eagles. Oh, retrigger would be amazing. No. Oh, retrigger, please. No. Oh, where's our Eagles? No. Oh. Okay, well, there was 4 of a kind kings for $75. Come on, Eagles. Okay. I don't think it turned out that bad for us. 153, doing less lines with the highest multiplier. We're gonna keep going and see if we can do it again. Ticket is at $14.50. That's a perfect example of less lines, babe. I was only playing 3 lines with a 2x multiplier for an $800 line hit. All right, my last game of the night, Luxury Line Express, stuck in $200. And I'm playing $8 bet on nickels. We just landed a chance at the major train and the grand train. It's my last game before I'm heading home. Have that oh whoa, that's $100. Have that major over in there, and I'll just have a doggone heart attack. It's probably the biggest. Oh, that's huge. That's probably the biggest major I've ever seen at $5,000. Wow. Oh my gosh, 200. Okay, that is a huge bonus, you guys. These are nickels. And now we have the grand train. Come on. Be big, be long. That's a lot. Wow. We'll take it. What an end of the night bonus. That's, oh my gosh. Did I just get a Handpay? No. I put in $200. I think I did. Oh my gosh. $200 on my way out the door. $8 bet on nickels. Be right below, right below, right below, right below, right below, right below. We've got a Handpay. Oh, it's way better than I thought. Holy moly. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Thank you, Luxury Line. I sat down because that's a massive major. Totally did not expect that. That is Cash Express Luxury Line. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment. Hit the bell notification so you never miss my daily videos.